Did you know that 52% of B2B marketers affirm that video content delivers the highest return on investment among various content types? However, not all videos were created equal. The difference between a video that gets ignored and one that drives conversion often comes down to effective video editing. At Leadtail, we make social work for B2B, and these days, every winning strategy includes video content. In this video, we'll showcase the power of video editing through side-by-side comparison of the raw footage versus the completed, polished version. This will help demonstrate how our process and expertise can help elevate any brand's message. In this raw clip, the message lacks visual appeal, making it easy to overlook. By enhancing the lighting, adding dynamic captions, and incorporating branded elements, we create a visually engaging experience that captures attention in crowded social media feeds. Video production is crucial nowadays, and take it from the consumers, over 89% of them say they want more video content from their brands. And by delivering high video quality content, you can significantly increase your viewer retention and overall engagement. Take another example. Webinars are often informative, but too lengthy for viewers with limited time. By distilling the video content into a 1-minute highlight reel, we cut through all the unneeded fluff while enhancing the engagement. This approach aligns with findings that 91% of people have watched an explainer video to learn more about a product or service. On to the next example. Everybody sits on team calls discussing the latest trends in your industry. Maybe you'll even reach out to your closest connections and friends to see what their company is doing to evolve in this ever-growing world. Here at Leadtail, as well as for our clients, we have turned those discussions into podcasts where we bring on industry professionals every 2 weeks to discuss the latest trends. The great part about this is it keeps you as a thought leader in your industry. And even better, the long-form podcast content can be cut into smaller snippets, just like we talked about in the point before. Now with the ability to repackage your video content into bite-sized pieces, you keep your feed powering forward with even more video hosts. Our transformation process involves several key steps. We begin by understanding your objective as well as your target audience. The next thing we'll do is coordinate and schedule the recording process in some cases. We help a number of our clients record their video promos, podcasts, and webinars. All they have to do is click the join invite button and share their brilliant subject matter expertise, and we do the rest. After the recording, we'll assess all the raw footage. We meticulously review the existing content to identify areas for enhancement. Then we apply expert editing techniques. Through color correction, sound optimization, and visual effects, we enhance clarity and engagement. Once that foundation is laid out, we integrate brands' colors, logos, and messaging to ensure consistency and reinforce brand identity. This structured approach not only ensures that the product is visually arresting, but also strategically aligned with your marketing goals. Our clients have experienced remarkable results after their video transformations. For example, one client saw a 50% increase in views after collaborating with us on social strategy. That prioritized video content that their prospective customer base connected with. Another client reported a significant boost in lead generation after releasing their new product demo video. These outcomes demonstrate the measurable impact that professional editing can have on video performance. According to a report, 41% of B2B marketers increased their video production and distribution in 2024. In today's digital landscape, compelling video content is a powerful tool for engagement and conversion. Here at Leadtail, we're dedicated to helping B2B brands excel on social. One of the ways we could do this is by transforming your video footage into impactful social-first content that resonates with your target audience. So are you ready to elevate your brand's visual storytelling? Contact us today to explore the possibilities and see how we can help your brand grow.